Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can redeem a referral code on the Taptap Send app. So let's get started. Now first off, once you open up your Taptap Send app, here if you haven't made a first transfer already, you would be able to see a screen that says promo code or use a promo code. Now once you tap on that button right here, you would be able to add a promo code just like this one on this screen. Now, if you don't have a promo code already, you can take a look at the description below and use that promo code to get $15 on your next transfer. So that code is valid for any country that you might be sending money to. So once you input the promo code, all you would need to do is just click this enter button right here. And as you can see, you will then have some bonus credit just like I have right here. So again, that promo code will give you $15 on your transfer and it's valid for any country. Now that's the first method on how you can use a referral code or redeem a referral code, but the next one requires us to actually initiate the transaction. So let's go ahead and do that. Now let's just quickly add some funds, just tap on next. Then you would just need to add a recipient. And after adding the recipient, you will be on this confirm a transfer screen. Now if you take a look right here, you will be able to see add a promo code section again. So here's an extra chance that you can use to redeem a referral code on Taptap Send. So just go ahead and tap on add promo code and just input the referral code right here. Again, if you use one from the description below, you will get 15 pounds, dollars or euros, depending on your currency, on your next transfer. So just go ahead and input it right here and then again tap enter. Once you tap enter, the promo code will be applied and you will see extra bonus credit right here that will be added on top of your already existing transfer. So essentially those are the only two ways at the moment that you can redeem a referral code on Taptap Send. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe.